Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw a yummy rainbow cake. First, let's draw 3 little flames for the candles. Now, let's draw 3 tall candles under the flames. Make them straight and neat. Great work! Next, let's draw the top of our cake. Draw a big round shape under the candles, like a circle. This will be the top of our cake. Now, let's draw creamy waves under the top. Make soft wavy lines so it looks like sweet cream dripping down. Next, let's draw the cake body under the cream. Now, let's draw a big plate under the cake. Draw a long oval shape so it looks like a pretty dish. Let's draw 6 slanted lines on the top, just like this. They look like stripes on a pretty cake. Perfect! Next, let's make all the lines thick and clean with a dark pen. Everything looks so neat and pretty now. The drawing part is done. It's coloring time. We have so many pretty colors to use. Let's have fun and color step by step. First, let's take red. Red is a bright and happy color. Let's color it red. Next, let's take orange. Orange looks like yummy oranges. Let's color it orange. Now, let's take yellow. Yellow looks like sunshine. Let's color it yellow. Next, let's take green. Green looks like fresh grass. Let's color it green. Now, let's take blue. Blue looks like the big sky. Let's color it blue. Next, let's take purple. Purple looks like sweet grapes. Let's color it purple. Now, let's take pink. Pink looks cute and soft. Let's color it pink. Next, let's take baby pink. Baby pink looks like cotton candy. Let's color it baby pink. Now, let's take lemon yellow. Lemon yellow looks like lemon candy. Let's color it lemon yellow. And last, let's take pink again. Pink makes it look sweet and lovely. Let's color it pink again. That was wonderful! Look at our rainbow cake. It looks so beautiful and delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends!